Good day everyone, this is your Millionario channel. At heto na ang latest showbiz chika for today. Bea, Vincent magkayakap, naghahalikan sa party. Pinag-uusapan na ang kasal. Sana endgame na ito ni Bea. Always praying and wishing for a happy life for B. God bless this couple. Ito ang isa sa nabasa naming komento sa viral video ng magkasintahang Bea Alonzo at Pure Gold President na si Vincent Co. Sa kumakalat na video, mapapanood na magkayakap sina Bea at Vincent, naka-baseball cap, at nag-lips to lips kahit na maraming tao sa paligid nila dahil nasa isang party sila. Una naming nakita ang viral post sa Instagram account ng beaalonzo.babies. At sa nasabing account din namin, nakikita ang updated news mula sa celebrity couple. Marami na ang dumampot sa viral video na ito na pati sa YouTube channel ay kalat na at 1,000 views na rin ito as of this writing. May mga nabasa pa kaming ganito raw pala ka-sweet si Bea sa boyfriend niya kahit maraming tao o public display of affection, PDA, na sa tingin namin ay wala namang masama. Iisa na lang ang hinihintay ng lahat kung kailan ang kasal ni na Vincent at Bea. Susmi wala na sila pareho sa kalendaryo, no. Isa rin kami sa magsasabi na sana nga endgame na ito ni Bea para naman mas lalong sumaya ang kanyang Mommy Marie Ann Ranolo na makita ang kanyang magiging apo na tumatakbo-takbo sa kanilang Beati Firma Farm. Going back to Vincent at Bea, may nagchika sa amin na pinag-uusapan na ng dalawa ang kasal. Napaisip kami sa sinabi ni Bea nang makachikahan namin siya sa nakaraang New Star Online digital entertainment platform. The Stars Have Arrived, New Star Online press launch na ginanap sa Medusa at The Palace. Nalilipad siya sa Madrid, Spain, kung saan siya nakabili ng apartment para magbakasyon. Sabi ng dalaga ay solo travel siya pero napaisip kami na baka may importante siyang pakay roon at susunod na lang si Vincent. Anyway, abangan ang latest updates sa B. Vincent. Samantala, Pepe Herrera biglang nagpaalam sa YFSF. I had a mental breakdown. Nagdesisyon ng mamaalam ang aktor na si Pepe Herrera bilang isa sa celebrity contestants ng reality talent competition na Your Face Sounds Familiar ng ABS-CBN. Ito'y dahil sa pinagdaraanan niyang mental health issues na matagal na rin niyang nilalabanan. Pero ngayon lang daw niya naunawaan ang lalim ng kanyang hugot sa buhay nang makipagkita sa isang psychotherapist. Sa episode ng YFSF kahapon November 15, inannounce ng mga host ng programa na sina Vong Navarro at Jong Hilario na hindi na magpapatuloy sa laban si Pepe due to health concerns. Hindi na nagdetalye pa sina Vong at Jong tungkol sa pinagdaraanan ni Pepe. Pero may inilabas na video sa Facebook page ng YFSF kung saan ipinaliwanag ng komedyante ang estado ng kanyang mental health. Ayon kay Pepe, hanggang ngayon ay patuloy siyang nakararanas ng depression at anxiety na nagsimula raw noong 13 anyos pa lamang siya. Nakahanap daw siya ng escape mechanisms tulad ng pagpapatawa sa mga tao at ang pagiging masayin kapag nasa labas ng bahay at nakikisalamuha sa ibang tao. Pero nalaman daw niya mula sa mga eksperto na habang patuloy ang pagtakbo niya sa sariling emosyon, ay nagkakaroon ito ng masamang epekto sa kanyang katawan. Hello everyone! I wrote a love letter for all of you and thank you for giving me the space to share, because this is very important for me. Simulang mensahe ni Pepe. I haven't been well for decades. After my session with my psychotherapist the other day, I realized I have been struggling with depression and anxiety attacks alternately since I was 13 years old. I managed to survive because I have developed the ability to escape with the help of Band-Aid solutions. I was sweeping everything under a rug, not dealing with traumatic experiences I am afraid to face, putting a mask on, making people laugh. And all this time I did not know that the body is keeping score. All this pretending and escaping apparently is taking a toll on my body. Sad ng aktor. Madalas daw siyang magkaroon ng panic attack sa gabi na siyang dahilan kaya hindi siya makatulog bukod pa sa paninikip ng dibdib dahil naman sa paulit-ulit na puyat at tensyon. Recently, I have been experiencing panic attacks in the evening preventing me from sleeping. Either I will be able to sleep only when the sun is shining, or I won't be able to sleep at all. The combination of insomnia and anxiety is making my body experience regular tremors and numbness in different parts of my body. Chest pains and headaches are worsening. And there are times when my thoughts are becoming darker and darker. I feel like I'm drowning. A few days ago, I experienced a turning point. I had a mental breakdown and went through a panic attack because of something I felt on my chest. It was not just heavy. It felt like something was squeezing my lungs violently. I panicked because I thought I was dying. I was terrified. I moved around outside the house while walking barefoot on the grass, praying, begging, talking to my body and to God to make the pain stop. Eventually, it stopped. Pahayag pa niya. Kasunod nito, nagbitiw si Pepe ng pangako sa sarili. Feeling exhausted, I made the promise to my body that I will never abuse it again by escaping. I had a long conversation with my wife that led to a moment of clarity. I made a decision to finally focus and commit to getting treatment while taking an indefinite leave from work. As a breadwinner, this was a very difficult decision for me. I became good in pretending because I need to provide for my family. But my wife and I agree that these needs to be done. I'm swallowing my pride by getting a loan to put food on the table because focusing on treatment means not having income for months. But it is what it is. Better do this now before the condition becomes chronic. I need to do this for my wife and kids also, sabi pa ng komedyante. Bumalik na rin daw siya sa regular sessions ng kanyang psychotherapy. I just have to commit now on receiving them and learning from them. In a nutshell, after more than 3 decades of trying to be a people pleaser, I decided to choose myself and my healing. My wife is supportive because, as she mentioned, you cannot pour from an empty cup or picture, say ng aktor. Pagpapatuloy pa niya. To my, your face sounds familiar, family. I'm sorry if I have to leave. I'm sharing this unfiltered information because you deserve the whole truth. I'm grateful for the family we have created even for just a short time. You also deserve my complete honesty. I can be the Pepe who can get tired of being a clown, and I can be the Pepe who can be very serious. And from now on, you will see the most sincere and truthful version of me. That's a promise. For those who are also struggling, I hope you get the help you need and the healing that you deserve. I hope you rediscover the courage to work on that for yourself and your family. Please don't forget that you're never alone. Paalala pa ni Pepe sa publiko. At AJ Raval walang pagsisisi sa pagtatago tungkol sa pimpanak. Best decision ever. Best decision. Para sa dating sexy star na si AJ Raval ang pagtanggi niya noon na meron na siyang mga anak kay Aljur Abrenica. Nagpost ang celebrity mom sa Instagram ng makahulugang mensahe tungkol sa pananahimik niya sa mga isyu at kontrobersyang kinasangkutan niya nitong mga nakaraang taon. Walang diretsahang binanggit ang former Viva Max Queen kung para saan talaga ang kanyang IG post, pero naniniwala ang mga netizen na may connect ito sa pagtatago niya sa publiko tungkol sa kanyang mga anak. Maaari ring ang tinutukoy ng aktres ay ang hindi niya pagsasalita noon sa mga akusasyon na siya ang third party sa hiwalayan ng mag-asawang Aljur Abrenica at Kylie Padilla. Mababasa sa Instagram post ni AJ. The best decision I ever made was to stay quiet. Protecting my peace feels too good. Praying hands, heart emoji. And thank you to those who understood me without me having to explain. Praying hands, face holding back tears emojis. Pagbabahagi pa ni AJ. Matatandaang noong November 12, inamin ni AJ sa panayam ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda na may 5 na siyang anak. Ang unang 2 ay mula sa dati niyang non-showbiz partner. Ang isa rito ay pumanaw na. Ang 3 naman ay mula nga kay sa current partner niyang aktor na si Aljur. After ng revelasyon ni AJ, ay nagsalita rin ang dating asawa ni Aljur na si Kylie Padilla. 2 ang naging anak ng dating celebrity couple. Say ni Kylie sa kanyang Facebook post, "Ito lang po comment ko para matapos na. Matagal ko na pong alam pero syempre inuna po namin ang kapakanan ng mga bata. Sobrang close sila at yun pinaka-importante. Happy that now di na kailangan magtago. Proud of you. Peace all around. Sana matapos na drama." Para sa iba pang showbiz chika, stay tuned lang sa Milyonaryo Channel. Thank you for watching.